Magandang hapon, magandang gabi, wherever you may be. This is Steve from This Is Our Philippines. But again, in snow, and it's in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania this morning. So I'm gonna put together a little video from yesterday of riding up through these ice roads that we drove on yesterday, and all the fun time we had coming up the way there. It really wasn't too bad. The biggest issue I had was when we got to the Pennsylvania state line. Pennsylvania only plowed like one lane for their interstate highways. They had all the trucks in the right-hand lane. Speed limit was broke down to 45 mile an hour, and it was just a long, slow go coming up through Pennsylvania there. So the rest of the places, I mean, it seemed like they kept the roads plowed pretty good. I know, like in Maryland, they were spraying that. There was a spray they were spraying the day before down to be prepared for this storm. So a lot of times when you were driving across that road after they had plowed them and stuff, that the ground got you could see the road actually in some of the places there. So it'd be moist and stuff like that, but no big problem with ice or anything like that when I was driving coming up last night. So that was pretty good. But I survived that trip. The only thing is, I've sat out here now since 9 o'clock last night. I've been out here, and I'm still waiting in line. I'll show you here. There's a line out here in front of me, but I'm still in line. So, and there's a line coming in the gate this morning too. So, like I said, I've been here since 9 o'clock last night. I think it was somewhere around 9 o'clock last night. And it's almost 7:45, 8 o'clock right now in the morning. So, I tell you what, I guess they didn't have anybody show up to do the unloading last night or something, or people didn't come to work or whatever. But we've all been sitting here, and there's nothing we can do. You can't do anywhere. You can't go anywhere. You got loads on the back of your trailer. You're not going to go anywhere. So my load for this morning was canceled. We'll see what happens. See what happens after we get out of this. It was hard to sleep last night because you had to constantly. Well, you weren't constantly pulling up. I've been sitting here since 2 o'clock this morning. I haven't moved a bit. So, but still, it's hard to sleep because you want to wake up and make sure the trucks in front of you don't move there. So, oh well, we'll see how the day goes. But without further delay, let's get this video underway. Well, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere I go. I've been out of West Virginia yet into Maryland, and here's the snow and the slick roads and everything else. So we're trying to make it across here today to see if we can get this load delivered, but it's looking worse and worse across here. So far nobody's slid out. I mean, there's a couple of cars in the ditch back behind me there, but nothing too bad today yet. So we'll continue on driving as long as we can here. I'll leave myself plenty of room. Keep my bumper in front of me, my tires under me, and my britches in between the ditches. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Down here to Brewster Mills. I hit this as soon as I got on Highway 68. This is 68 east and west here, and I'm going east. Watching a lot of ice road trucker videos. I'm glad I did that. give me some advice about driving on these icy roads. Let's see. This is a mess today coming across here. Only on this road. This is the main road. I've still got to get up here to Pennsylvania where they said they're calling for 2 foot of snow yet today. So 1 foot, 2 foot. We'll see what it is when we get over there. They're marching on. That's what the boss said. He said march on. So we're marching on. Take it easy, march on. There goes snow plows down the road. They're out here working already today. So, we'll see how it goes. We're keeping on going. Let's come up here. We're on 68. We're coming up here to the Virginia state line. Recognize this from one of the last videos I put up. We'll come across here and get up to the top of this hill. We'll be in Maryland here. So, traction going up this hill. There's traction. Up to Maryland, 45 miles. Okay, we'll start this slide, so I'm going to let y'all go until I get up this hill. I'm sorry. I'll let you go. Well, I'm here at Myersdale, PA. You can see around me or not, but jumping through the snow. I take my break here. So I figured I'd go over here and get me something to eat. Back on the road here, hopefully. I don't know if I'm gonna get back on the road or not. See behind me. Beautiful day today. Nice snowy day. At least I kept this parking lot kind of plowed here. See how the rest of it goes. Yeah, it's really coming down today. Pretty good. Well, at least the snowplow's in here doing his job here in the parking lot. Figuring us out a path to go. Big pile of snow out here a while ago to get around, but he's got it all cleared out now, so. Ready to pull out of here. It's out pretty good here, so we're ready to go now. Ready to get out of here. Ready to come back up the road. Well, we're all buckled up and ready to go again, so off these ice roads we go. Been a fun, exciting day today so far. So let's see how we get up in Harrisburg and see if we can make it up in there. I'll try to keep you updated as we go here. We'll see what we can do. There's still people out here driving. Don't ask me why. I guess like me, they got their boss told them they had to go, so they got to go. I've read the worst part of this is supposed to be yet to come into the evening hours here. So, I'm trying to make it my best to get where I need to go. Go to my resting spot tonight. So, we'll see what happens the rest of the day here. But to tell you the truth, there's not many. I only saw like one truck spun out and one car spun out that I've seen on this whole route today. So That's not bad. Not to say it's not going to happen, but that's not bad for coming across this road and being in the condition it is. So. Ice Road Trucker. Anybody out there watching Ice Road Trucker, you might catch that little bit of it too. No, Alex. That's a little bit different than I do, probably. Alright, we're going to let you go here for just a minute. Let's see how we get from here on out. Well, we're easing our way down this hill. This is just past the way station. Maryland way station here. Coming down here into Cumberland, Maryland. Drive these roads if you're just careful. Well, this is not good. This truck's being pulled up the hill now. This truck tried to go around him. They told him to go around him and he stopped. And now he can't get up the hill. Oh, we'll see what happens here. There's a tow truck pulling this truck now. Oh. Here until this truck decides to do something. I gotta figure out what's going on. Well, it's nighttime now, so we're nighttime driving. The snow over the valley and through the hills too. I'm not getting anybody's house tonight. Anyway, we're going that way. We're going to somebody's house. The truck will be my house tonight, but I believe I have to sleep there at the post office once I get there. See what happens. We're continuing to go. A couple of those trucks had to be pulled up that hill there. They had two wreckers out there pulling them up the hill. And had a couple more stuck on the hill. So, we got a couple more big hills to go out here, so we'll see if any more excitement comes up our way as we go out across here. You can see, I don't know if you can see the snow, you can see the snow coming in. It's still falling. Steady stream of snow. Packed road of ice. Right now, so not slippery, not too much, as long as you keep your marker 62. I got 22 miles to go on this road. And we'll head across 70 to 81. See what happens.